Hey teacher friends, it's Eileen from Teach with ND. And if you've ever gone into ChatGPT and asked it to help write your lesson plan and looked at it and thought, wait a minute, what am I even looking at? You're not alone. So when you're working with ChatGPT or other AI, you want to remember that it's kind of like an overeager assistant that's just very excited, wants to help you as fast as possible. And so you really want to make sure that you're giving it specific instructions and not assuming that it knows more than it does or that it understands the context of what you're asking. So a simple formula to try is to remember you're telling it, what do you want? You're talking about the topic, the grade level or subject, and any extras or needs for you and or your students. So an example of that would be something like, write a 30-minute fourth grade science lesson plan on the water cycle that includes a hands-on activity, uses simple language, and aligns with NGSS standards. A trick that might help get what you want is to ask it first for an outline. That way you can look at it and decide if it's going in the right direction or if you need to kind of revamp and tell it, wait a minute, no, I need this to be more engaging, or I need you to do, break this up into smaller increments, or, different things. That way you don't get too far down the road and realize, wait, there's a lot we have to fix. A few more prompt ideas would be something like, give me 3 low prep ideas to review alliteration with second graders. So you see you're giving it very specific details. Adapt this math lesson for students with sensory processing differences. That one you might want to give it even more details about what it is that you want or don't want. And another one would be, create a sub-friendly version of this plan that's easy to follow. You might want to break it down to include, very specific steps for the sub about, where to locate different materials and different things like that. So before you go, I hope that you will check out my free AI lesson plan template. It includes an example of how a plan could look from start to finish, as well as some extra prompts for you to take with you. So I hope this helps, and I'll talk to you soon. Bye.